Hey guys, welcome back to my crypto trading channel. In this video, I will revisit my trade that I took on Pengu around few weeks back, I think few days back by the way. And this trade is now running in profit and I told you why I took the trade and what are the reason I believe Pengu to be the next big token to pump this season. Of course, as you can see from the chart here, the token has already shown good momentum. Look at here, the initial pump was here around 400% and now it's stagnated. It pulled back to value and now ready to pump again. And that is when I jumped in and took the trade. The trade is now profitable. But again, if you haven't watched my video, why I took the trade and how I took it, just click on the link above to watch that setup and of course get started. So this video, I will now take you through the next steps about how to manage this trade since you're already in profit. So let's talk about Pengu trade and the future of Pengu coin because I strongly believe the new all-time high is coming anytime. So you can see here, first of all, we take a look at the weekly chart, which is right over here. So weekly has hit kind of trend line resistance. You can see right over here, this yellow line, which indicates now it will face some kind of sell-off, which is here. And after that, it may try to pump back up. Again, this can be a little damaging for the pump because after hitting the trend line, it can also pull back to value and go down below. We cannot say that. Of course, that's why we need to take into account the risk management factor. The risk reward ratio at the time is 10:1, means 10 time profit, 1 time loss. That is the setup I have taken, especially on the daily chart. Now, I have set the target. The initial target is 5 cent, 0.05, but the long term target is 10 cent, 0.10. So, I believe if it pumped, it can actually pump to close to 10 cents, and that is when you make good amount of money. Since if you haven't taken the trade yet, I think there's still time to enter into this trade if it's still going parabolic. Look at the daily chart and see here. There is a clear bullish flag that I told you before taking the trade, and that resembles the previous bullish flag, which is right over here. Let me just draw it and show it to you. This one right over here, it was a clear bullish pattern, bullish flag, and then the token pumped, and the same thing is repeated here as well. Same bullish flag, same pattern, and same pump is repeated. Now, will it go up? The chances are it should, but let's wait and watch. Now, to place a trade, of course, you should look at the daily chart, place a trade, but managing it is quite the trick. And for that, you need to visit the lower time frame, which is 4 hours and 1 hour chart. So 4-hour charts give you a better picture where the trade is going. So right now it pumped and right now it's stagnated at around this zone, which is my second key resistance line, which is in the yellow line here at 0.035928, or you can say 0.036. So this line is very crucial. It has to break this line to move forward. And right now, as expected, it is stagnated. The token is not able to pump high, but since you can see some green candles, good pump few hours back, and that means there is some sort of bullness or bullishness in the token. Same you go to 1 hour chart, you will find out a similar pattern. Of course, it is not making higher highs, higher lows, which it should during a pure bull momentum. That means there's kind of some stagnation which can be observed in this token. You can see here it fell down but did not pump back up quickly. Ideally, it should go back right over here to 0.04, but it did not. It stagnated and now falling down. Now, this is a crucial point because now it is testing 50 EMA resistance, which is 50 exponential moving average. And if it fell down below, it can go to 0.0325. So, I have moved my stop loss from the basic stop loss point to this point, which is your 0.0325, the next key support line. If it goes below this, that means we are not bullish at all. We can go down, and that is why I have put my stop loss here, making some profit more than the break even price. So that is the kind of setup you should take. Once your trade is in good profit, you're not going to make a loss, and of course you can bulletproof it by setting up a good profit target range. Do not scale in every time every day. Move your stop loss once every single day as per your strategies. Do not play around with stop loss each day. It will mess up your mind. So this is a step that I have taken, and right now trade looks good. It looks profitable, and I believe there is good room for it to grow. Now, if it goes above 0.045, which is the previous key resistance level, this one, it will bound to pump very high. That is why I'm adding my position right now. If it breaks this trend line, which is this yellow line, and aim for 0.045, and if it breaks it, which I believe it will in the future, especially in Q4, we are going parabolic. Then there is kind of guaranteed that we are going to hit 10 cents. That is my belief. And that is when you make a huge profit by trading Pengu by cashing in all its profits. So clearly a good trade in the making. Overall looks bullish. Overall the weekly look very bullish. And let's wait and watch. Let's see. I'm already at break even now. Even if it moves in the other direction, I will still be profitable. So that's the update about Pengu token trade. And of course, if you're trading anything apart from this token that is giving you good trading profit, comment below, share thoughts, and of course, share your trading strategy. Always feel free to join us on Telegram, and of course, subscribe to my channel, press the bell icon, and let's meet tomorrow in the new video. Till then, take care. Have a nice day. Thank you.